Meet the Mi-10 Hark. This helicopter has a gondola underneath the fuselage. Mi-10, it's a shorter leg version. The taller undercarriage is used to carry cars below the helicopter. This is a Soviet flying crane, aerial crane. It's much bigger than the Sikorsky sky crane chopper. This is it, my Mi-10 helicopter. It is the same size as the Mi-26 Halo, which is the world's biggest helicopter. The Mi-6 is based on this helicopter. It has a large leg. Look at that. We have a family of mil helicopters. I built two of these. This one is a cargo helicopter, and this one's a flying crane. Oh yeah. This is the heaviest one. This took me 12 hours to build a single helicopter. This is a Mi-26 and an Mi-10 Hark with the gondola underneath the fuselage. Okay. This is it. 2 mil helicopters have been built. Have a nice day. See you next time. And then, this is my helicopter right here.